felt you. I knew you were down there. Drop shot got him. I'm like, dude, you're down the bottom. Perfect hook set too, look. Right over the mouth.
The spot?
Yeah, it's a spot.
Yeah. Very cool.
Little fat guy.
Those suckers spot, don't they?
Yeah, they do. There you go, the first one. Like that was my lure the whole time. Oh my god. I still couldn't believe it. That's caught on 6 cents access of all lures out here.
Really?
That thing wobbles so wide.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's like a summertime hunting action type lure. Dude, crazy. I see them coming after my bait.
Really?
Yeah, they're not focused on it. Ooh, got him.
There you go.
I'm like, there, dude, like, I ran it by him like 2 or 3 times, nothing. So the bigger one, and here's this little one came after it. Little spot. Yeah, I can see him on my live active target. Didn't even move. I didn't even see this little one. I didn't even see him. So they're about a log.
They're out here playing, having a good time trying to eat.
I'm just that's why I was getting frustrated, because I'm not catching nothing on a crankbait here.
That one came on crankbait?
What?
That one came on crankbait? Cool.
A DT8. My other one wasn't working, so I went with the crawfish.
What is that? Is that an island up there?
No, that's the barge.
That's a barge?
That's the barge coming.
I didn't know those two were there. That's cool.
Oh, got him. Ooh,
Oh, there you go.
that one's a nice one.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucker's fighting.
Oh, that's a straight bass.
Striker?
Yep.
Oh, we tucked up into this little eddy right here, huh?
Stuck in my thumb. There you go. Ooh. Oh, that was a tree. I was like, ooh. There's some massive ones in here. I see them.
Oh, I can imagine.
What?
I can imagine.
I can see them all over. Gotta get these suckers to play. Sometimes when you reel up slow too, like right here at the boat, they'll hit it right at the boat.
That is really cool.
Yeah, that's the barge coming. Bringing up some coal. Oh, got a little one. I told you, right here at the boat. I just got done telling you about that when you pulled up slow here at the boat. Bloop.
You called your own shot right there.
What? That's funny. I was just telling you, right at the boat. That's some funny stuff. Yeah, right here as I was pulling my thing out of the water. Definitely get shallow right now. There's a bunch of stuff here. There's a little cliff. So. Got him.
That one?
Yep.
There you go.
Boom. There's
The
so
spot?
good. What? Yep, another spot. A little. Yeah. Right underneath. Where I actually said was right under. There's a huge drop off here.
How deep does it get to?
What?
How deep will it go?
I'm at 8 feet here. There's so much crap underneath here. There's a lot of trees down here. Dude, look at this thing. Dude, look at it. Look at this thing and look at my lure. Dude, he's a baby. I'm like, why is this swimming funny? Like I'm reeling and it's going the opposite direction. Waiting on my drop shot and then I put around big head.
Mm-hmm.
Is it getting colder out?
It feels like a little. I thought it got like a little cooler.
Yeah, it was supposed to get warmer.
That's what I thought. I thought it was supposed to get like 55 or something. You know how this Tennessee weather goes.
Yep.
It's got a mind of its own. I was out on Old Hickory like this spring.
Yeah.
And they called for like sunny bluebird skies. You know, like all day. And I was like, oh, cool. I'm not telling you, dude. Like it hit like 12 o'clock lunchtime. These dark clouds came in. There you go.
Him.
And it just started pouring. Out of nowhere.
What's up, buddy? Not big, but
Fish.
what's up, buddy? I can use my trolling motor to get us. Aha, I got it out.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, look, I can use my trolling motor to turn us around. Well, that's it. That is it. My buttons. That's all I use. That's what I've learned here. I'm like, all right, you know, we're going around smallmouth area, so what is smallmouth like? Swim baits. You always see them drop shotting and doing this stuff for all the pros.
They like those little baits.
Yep.
And when I go to like Del Hong, Lake Cumberland, all I throw is like a little finesse jig and a little swim bait like that. And they'll eat it.
Oh yeah. I'm just surprised we haven't found any. No small. Oh, there he is. No.
Do you have one?
No. That one was brown.
Was it?
Yep. You sucker. Right as I was pulling it out of the water too, like I said. I was paying attention. Started reeling too fast. Got him. It's like, look at how far down its throat it is. Dude, like they're just engulfing this little thing.
That's wild.
Dude, it's like all the way down. What's up, buddy? Another one.
You're the spot master.
That one's a little bigger. It's a 3-inch. This is a 3.25. I don't know, man. I think it's a Oh, I think it's the line.
You think it's line?
Yeah. What the heck just happened here? What in the world just... What? Yeah, it is. Why is this?
We got the front hook on this one too. That's a good sound.
You're getting the front hook and they different one.
You got
You want a pliers?
Yeah, I think he's got it.
They're a little rusty.
Right there.
Yes, sir. Oh, come on, for real. You gotta show the camera that one.
Alright.
Oh. Left an open space for you. Had to get up here and show the camera.
I caught a fish.
Old Hickory Lake and just keep on doing this over and over.
Listen, you got a point.
I mean, it's actually, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not disappointed that they're not big. It's just fun actually catching them.
You want something to tug on your line a little bit, you know?
Yeah. Keep on going to Old Hickory Lake and you're lucky to get one, and maybe it's a drone. You know what I mean? Oh, there's some big ones out here again. They're all over the place on this flat. They really like that one that you got. What is that, a shad rat?
Yeah. I just throw a little suspend out on the front.
You what?
I just throw a little suspend out on the front there. Yeah, right of the boat.
What?
Right of the boat.
I told you. We're actually in an area. Well, they actually move, man. We're in the mud.
Get in that front hook.
Maybe they're dialed into more of a fast-moving bait now.
I mean, could be.
Before it was slow, you know, I was slow with it.
You clued me in when you caught that one on the drop shot.
What?
You clued me in when you caught that one on the drop shot.
They were slow.
That they were like, yeah, they wanted something kind of shabby.
You never know if you run into a big one. There's a lot of bait though, I'll tell you that.
Is it really?
A lot of bait in this flat. Now we're at 15 feet right here. The more you keep catching them, you just keep coming up here and showing the damn camera. No one's got to catch them. Gotta make a video.
What's that?
Said somebody's got to catch them. Gotta make a video.
Another spot. Did I get it on there?
Yep.
Hey, there you go.
Right on that edge.
That's cool.
Look at it. Like, that's where my bait's at.
Yeah. And he's all colored up.
Yeah, they were tearing it up.
It took me a second.
Where was it at?
Right there. It took me a second. I was like,
Where?
wait, did I have a hat on?
Where's it at now?
Right there.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Putting that back on.
Can you reach it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Are you close?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Sorry about that.
I was like, was that your hat? The only reason that I noticed it was hat because I seen it in my GoPro. I seen it fly off.